Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to use the Vault feature, which is here for enterprise accounts, to store a secret and then log into a website using that secret. And this is the website that we're going to log into. It's a demo website. We're going to use this username and this password to log in after storing it in the Vault. So first, go to your Vault here. You might need to create a new Vault if you don't have one. I already have one created. I have a number of secrets. I'm going to delete this one. This is the one that I was testing with. Actually, I'll just delete them all so you can have a clean slate. You see what it looks like. So, okay, I have no secrets there, and I will create a new Vault item. So we have three choices: login, API key, or other, where you can store arbitrary credentials in a JSON object. I'm going to use login for this one. I'm going to call it Sauce Labs, which is what this is. And now I'm going to copy in the credentials here, username and the password. Okay, so now I'm going to save this secret. So now I've got a secret, and I will create now a browser automation using this secret to log in. So I'm going to come here, create a new workflow, and now from the slash menu, I'm going to start typing in Vault to find my Vault. I'll select it. Now it will list all of my secrets. I'm going to select the one that we just created. If you roll over, you can see it has a bunch of details around what that Vault item is, so it pre-populates that for you. And now I will use the browser operator. So I'm going to use the slash command again, browser operator, and I will say, go to this site, go to this site, and log in using my credentials. And now it's going to generate code that will go retrieve and decrypt the credentials at runtime. So the credentials don't ever get populated to your script. They don't get populated to any logs. They're just decrypted and sent during runtime to the host site and then injected into those forms. So you can see that here where we have a little decryption process happening. And then here, this is where the variables will be injected into the instruction. So I'm going to click Run. And what you'll see is the credentials have been retrieved. And now it's starting that browser automation. So we'll see that go. I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see it as much as possible. And there it is, inserting the username and password. And hopefully it'll log in. Okay, now it's logged in. So that's how you do it. That's how you use a Vault item to inject credentials during runtime without having them logged, without having them been used at all. And this is just the playback showing that happening. So if I go over to my logs here, you can see that we don't have any of those details in the log. So that's it. That's how I use a secret. Thanks.